Hi, I'm David, and the guy at the other end is Jeff. The layout is Wingfield Junction. It's a double O model railway layout based on no particular place as such, but more or less this North Derbyshire area. So a lot of the trains that are running are similar to the ones that ran on the line up through Cromford to Matlock and on to Manchester. This model depicts the time period around the 1960s, which was when I was growing up, and it's basically a bit of history. Most of the trains that are running would have been operating around here. So again, it's a bit of history as to what life used to be like. Most of the models on here are for the same. The cars and the buses are from the same time period. Most of the buses are from what was then the local bus company, North Western, and so the whole thing was done as a memento of that time period. The layout was built in 2005. It took 4 years to build it, and it's been all over the country on exhibitions, quite often just weekend ones. We've used the layout to collect donations for charities, and in this particular case it's for the special care baby units at Chesterfield and Sheffield Hospitals. We do that in honour of my granddaughters, who were born 16 weeks premature and looked after by a similar unit in Wrexham. So we have a great deal of empathy with those. Each year we try and, we ask for donations rather than an entry fee, and just rely on people's generosity. Probably the pub was one of the more interesting features to put on. The river was quite a project as well. That's done with, must be at least 100 layers of clear varnish, painted brown and green underneath and then varnished on top.